look bomb on date night with Bae. You know, So hey guys, it has been a little minute since I have done a makeup tutorial, so I had to come back with a easy beginner friendly makeup tutorial for the day. Yay! If you have a boo, whoop whoop. If you are single, whoop whoop. Valentine's Day is the day of love, so definitely spread love, and be around love. So I wanted to give you guys a very easy makeup tutorial. I literally use like 3 products and you just look like bomb. Like, you just look bomb. And I want you guys to look bomb on date night with Bae. You know, he may want you to just have on a red lip. Like, a red lip can take you from here to here. Like, here to here. Red lips, that's like my go-to. I love red lips. And I'm really like loving how this look turned out. And yeah, so if you want to see how I did this look, this very easy look, stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back. So here I am barefaced. I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 coconut water. I love this stuff. It's so affordable and so good. So to further prime my face, I'll be using the Becca Poreless Priming Perfector. This is great if you have oily skin or if you have really large pores. So next I'll be going to my brows to fill in my brows and to give them more shape. I'll be using the NYX eyebrow pencil in deep brown. So I'll just be filling in my eyebrows and giving it more definition and just filling it in because I do have sparse brows. So I'm going to be using the spoolie to further put my hair in place and to distribute the product of my eyebrow pencil. To clean up my brows, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Concealer in the color 8 and the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. I will be mixing these 2 colors because the Juvia's Place Concealer is too dark and I do not want to return it, so I'm going to improvise. That's one thing about makeup, you can just have fun with it and improvise. So I'll be cleaning underneath my brows and on top of my brows to give it a more clean and crisp look. And I'm using the Morphe flat top brush to do so. And to get the harsh lines, I'll be using this fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend it out even more. So for my foundation, I will be using the Juvia's Place Velvet Matte foundation in Kampala. And I will be using some of my Badescu spray because this foundation can be a little bit thick and drying, so I just want to make sure that my face is well moisturized so it'll be easy to blend. And as always, I'll be using my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge. I love this sponge because it's so good and it's so easy to clean. Like, I love that about this sponge. So next I'll be highlighting using that same concealer mixture that I used for my eyebrows and putting that underneath my eyes. And to give my under eye and highlight a more brighter effect, I'll be using more of that LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan to give my under eye and my concealer a more brighter feel and look. I'm just blending that out. So next I will be taking my Airspun translucent powder and setting my under eye concealer with that. And do not be afraid of this this powder because of it being so white. It definitely does not give a white cast if you put the right amount. But if you are worried, you can use a more yellow tone if you are of a deeper shade. So I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette and using that middle shade to put it on my entire eyelid. So this will be like the main color for my eyelid. And to give it more definition and depth, I will be using the darker shade in my outer V. And this is a compact blending brush that I'll be using to do so in my outer V. This will also give it a like smoky effect, which is so pretty, especially for like those date nights. And this is really easy, especially if you don't really do a lot of eyeshadow. It'll like really take your eyeshadow look up to the next level. So to wipe off brush off my under eye powder, I'll be using the Maybelline FitMe in the color 355 and using the e.l.f. flat top brush. So here I'm going back into my Black Radiance contour palette and using that contour dark brown shade to contour my face. And to further set my entire face, I'll be using the Maybelline FitMe in the color 360. And that brush is by Morphe and it is a foundation powder brush. And to give me more highlight, I'll be using the Black Radiance cream highlighter shade. And to set that highlighter, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette in the color Queen. And you guys, do not be afraid to use eyeshadow or for more than just eyeshadow. As you can see, it gives it that really bright effect, similar to the Trophy Wife highlighter by Fenty. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyebrow gel to set my eyebrows to get them nice and crisp and just looking really good. So of course I had to change into a little black dress. So I'll be using the Sephora liquid lipstick in Red Velvet. I love this lipstick. It is perfect for all skin tones and it just really is a great liquid lipstick. It does not leave your lips dry. So to outline my lips, I'll be using this Deep Plum lip liner. I did get this from the hair store, so I do not remember the name of it. So I'm just going to clean up my lips with the makeup wipe. But I'm just loving this look, you guys. And like here you could add eyelashes, but I do have individual eyelashes on, so that's why I did not add it. But yes, just slay for date night. And it's definitely bae approved. Hey, you're gonna slay. As always, stay beautiful inside and out. Bye guys.